Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi Telma and today I'm going to be doing a full glam makeup on my sis. I hope you guys enjoy it. I did a browse off camera, so what I'm doing right now is I'm concealing her eyelid with the LA Pro concealer in shade Fawn, and I'm going to be setting it with the Shallows setting powder. I'm going to be putting all the makeup products I used in this video in my description box. I'm going in with the Saharan 2 by Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Taza as my transition color. Using a fluffy brush to blend that into a crease. All we do is blend, 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 no matter what. Only you, I know go they share because it could run a lot back whoever. I told you before that I wanna go far with you. That's enough, it mess up too. Answer me, my boo, show my duro, well, me, no. Borrow, bojoro, my love. Bojeko, go nowhere. And if I want a baby from you, give me one, no fair. But baby, oh girl, I just want you to know. So now I'm using the shade Fairs, and I'm using another blending brush to deepen it into a crease, and I'm concentrating on the outer corner. Go nowhere. And if I want a baby from you, give me one, no fair. Baby, oh girl, I just want you to know. And baby, oh girl, I just want you to know. This is for you. Now I'm using the shade Adia, and I'm concentrating that on a lid. Party in a party in party 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 you need party. Now I'm going to be doing that on the other eye too. Party in a party in a party party party. So now I'm using the shade Nomad. I'm also using that on the lid, but on the outer corner. Kinda. So I fixed the eyelashes off camera, and what I'm going to be doing now is applying the eyeliner on her eyelid. No wings, nothing extra, just that. I've applied moisturizer and rose water on her face off camera. Now I'm using a foundation brush to apply pond all over her face. That's enough, it mess up too. Answer me, my boo. Show my duro, well, me no. Borrow, bojoro, my love. Bojeko, go nowhere. And if I want a baby from you, give me one, no fair. But baby, oh girl, I just want you to know. Moving on to foundation, I'm using Maybelline Superstay in shade Cocoa, and I'm going to be applying it with a beauty sponge. Now I'm going ahead to conceal, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to be using a beauty sponge to blend it in. Please don't drag, just blend it in. And I will love you to nobody else. You waiting them I do for you. Oh, yeah, you no go regret. Nothing will make me forget. Only you I no go they share, because you could run a lot back whoever. I told you before that I wanna go far with you. That's enough, it mess up too. Answer me, my boo. Show my duro, well, me no. I'm setting the concealer with Sheer Loose setting powder. So now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder to bronze.
Nothing will make me forget. Only you I know go they share because it could run a lot back whoever. I told you before that I wanna go far with you. That's enough, it mess up too.
Now I'm going to be applying powder all over our face, and I'm using the LA Pride Oil Control Compact Palette, and I'm using the shade 01 and 02. To contour our nose, I'm using the darkest shade in the powder palette. Now I'm using the two shades on the blush palette on my cheekbone. I really can't remember the name of the blush, but to highlight her face, I'm going to be using the Glow Makeup Academy, and I'm using the last shade on the palette. Now I'm going to be lining her lips with the Davis eye pencil in number 18. After that, I'm going to be using the classic lipstick in shade Nude Girl at the center of her lips. For our waterline, I'm going to be using the Jordana green eye pencil. Now I'm going back with the Juvias Place eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the Zonra shade under a lower lash line. Now I'm using the classic setting spray to set a face. Now I'm using the brow gel on the brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.